Kolkata, the one-stop destination for books is College Street. Not just residents, people from all across the world make their way to these bookshops that sell second-hand books, academic books, books that you will not find online, but in this street of Kolkata. This is Asia's largest second-hand book selling street, and the kind of loss that they have faced because of the rain fury and waterlogging is irreparable. Shopkeepers, small shopkeepers who are selling books to earn a livelihood, in complete loss of words and unable to fathom the kind of loss that they have faced. आप थोड़ा सा बता सकते हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स को कितना लॉस हुआ है आपको?
बहुत सारा लॉस हुआ है। इसका रिकवरी कैसे होगा हम लोग का कुछ नहीं पता। उसमें पूजा का टाइम है, आगे से कोई न्यूज़ नहीं था, हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं पाए।
एक बार साइक्लोन अम्फान जब हुआ था काफ़ी पानी जमा था,
हम लोग को न्यूज़ पता था जब होगा, लेकिन इसमें कुछ नहीं, हम लोग को पता नहीं, कुछ इन्फॉर्म ही नहीं हुआ है।
कल आप बुक शॉप खोल पाए थे?
नहीं, कल नहीं खोल पाए थे, पूरा बुक्स भीग गया, हम लोग पीछे में सब फेंक दिया, बहुत सारा बुक्स भीग गया।
ये तो कुछ नहीं, सब तो बुक थी तब तो फेंक दिया, पीछे सब तो किताब फेंक दिया, या कुछ भी नहीं है। इसमें बचा कुचा जो है यहाँ पे रखा हुआ, बाकी सब किताब फेंक दिया, लाट के लाट बुक ही फेंक दिया। बहुत सारा नुकसान हुआ दीदी, पूजा के सामने बहुत सारा।
So you know the loss is absolutely heartbreaking because some of these books are very difficult to find, and you know they are just being thrown away now as garbage dump. Booksellers still trying to salvage as much as possible from what remains once they've opened their shop this morning. The loss has been huge. They don't know how they will ever recover from this loss ahead of Pujo. These books are of course ordered well in advance. Shops after shops right now absolutely looks battered, and people here are walking, as we are walking through these lanes, we can only see them trying to gather whatever is left and put them on display, while some of them have been put out in the street under the sun to dry if possible. But the loss, the picture of loss is absolutely stark and in your face in Kolkata's College Street. With Anirudh Tripathi, Shreyas Shide for NDTV.